This is Ketchen's fully automated rotary flame brazing system, custom designed for a customer producing 3-port copper refrigerant distributors. The system coordinates 4 high-precision flame torches to preheat all joints simultaneously, ensuring uniform temperature distribution across every connection point. 3 synchronized wire feeding torches then deliver the exact amount of brazing alloy required. As heating continues, the filler metal melts, flows smoothly, and penetrates each joint through capillary action, creating strong, dense, and visually flawless brazed connections. With Ketchen's closed-loop temperature control, every brazing cycle achieves full penetration, consistent bead formation, and zero quality variation. This is automation engineered for high-volume HVAC and refrigeration manufacturers who demand repeatable quality and long-term reliability. To learn more or to customize your own automated brazing solution, visit our website and contact Ketchen today.